Ever wonder what Cat5, Cat6, or Cat8 actually means? Why are there so many Ethernet cables? And which one do you really need? Today we're going to be breaking down Ethernet cables from Cat1 to 8 and explaining what makes each category different. Cat stands for category. Each category defines how much data the cable can handle and how fast it can send it. The higher the number, the higher the speed and frequency, at least most of the times. Cat1. Just a basic phone cable, no data, just voice. Cat2. Used in early token ring networks, 4 megabytes per second. It's ancient technology, but good for the time. Cat3 supports 10 megabytes per second, and it powered early office networks back in the 90s. Cat4, slight upgrade up to 16 megabytes, but this didn't last long. Cat5, a huge leap, 100 megabytes per second. It became the standard for home and businesses. Then came Cat5e. The E stands for enhanced. Supports 1 gigabyte per second and is better shielded. It is still commonly used even up until today. Cat6. Now we're entering in the more modern speeds, up to 10 gigabytes at short distances, better insulation and tighter twists, reducing interference. Cat6a. The A stands for augmented. It supports 10 gigabytes up to 100 meters, perfect for high performance networks or data centers. Cat7, even more shielding, 10 gigabytes at 600 megahertz, but it uses different connectors, so it's not every device that supports it. Cat8, up to 40 gigabytes per second, a massive 2000 megahertz frequency built for professional data centers, but only good for short runs about 30 meters. Here's a further breakdown of more information on each cat. Now, based on the diagram that I have been showing you of the Ethernet cord, an Ethernet cord consists of an outer jacket, internal twisted pair copper wires for data transmission, a ripcord for easy cutting, and an RJ45 connector on each end, with 8 pins for plugging into the port. Some cables also include a protective layer, shielding, and a drain wire to reduce electrical interference. So which cable would you get? If you're a typical home user, Cat5e or 6 is perfect. They're affordable, reliable, and fast enough for streaming, games, and working from home. Cat6a and higher are best for office, servers, or anything using 10 gigabytes networking gear. Think of it like this: buying a Cat8 for a basic router is like putting racing tires on a family minivan. It's impressive, but it's not practical. From Cat1 to 8. Now you know exactly what those numbers mean. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and until next time.